Post-construction termite monitoring works best when Sentinel wood stakes are rotated and serviced regularly to keep detection sensitivity high. Set up an array of wooden Sentinel stakes around the foundation spaced at regular intervals and placed near likely termite pathways such as soil against concrete, mulched beds, and utility penetrations. Use stakes made from untreated pine or fir, cut to a consistent length and driven to contact the soil so termites can access the wood naturally. Inspect each stake monthly at first, then move to every 6 weeks after the first year if activity is low, always recording date, weather, and any visible feeding or mud tubes. When you rotate a stake, remove it gently. Note the condition of the internal surface and replace it with a fresh stake in the same hole, or shift its position slightly outward by 1 to 2 feet to broaden the surveillance footprint. If you see feeding, replace adjacent stakes immediately and migrate a couple of stations toward the area of activity to triangulate direction of foraging. Maintain a simple log that tracks stake age, appearance, rotation dates, and any action taken so long-term trends like declining wood integrity or seasonal peaks become clear. Common mistakes include leaving stakes in place indefinitely, which lets them become too degraded to detect new activity, so replace or rotate them regularly and record their service life. Another issue is clustering stations in one area and missing broader foraging routes, so migrate some stations outward after each inspection cycle to map movement. A third problem is inconsistent record keeping, which hides trends. So use a simple paper log or digital note with dates and observations and review it quarterly to adjust station placement and replacement cadence. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors experienced with termite monitoring and post-construction treatments, and helps contractors find new work by listing their services and project types. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals share field tips, rotation schedules, and real-world observations so we can all learn from each other.